Crazy Boop is back again. Today, we are going to learn how to insert rows in Excel. Let's get straight to the point. Take this fruit inventory list as an example. Suppose we need to add a new fruit under the goods stocked on April 1st. Select the row right below this date. Right-click. Choose Insert. Now you get a brand new blank row. Just type in the correct information, and you are all set. It's really that simple. If you want to insert multiple rows at one time, hold down the left mouse button and drag to select the number of rows you need. Right-click, choose Insert. Done. Alright, that's all. I gotta go now. I lost a bet with my coworker, and my punishment is to slip a peach into my boss's crotch. Wish me luck.